Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Moonbeam Crypto. Yeah, this coin is trending right now. Number 2 on CoinMarketCap. Ding, ding, ding. It's up big time in the last 7 days. We're going to go over to their website, check out their Twitter account, do a price prediction, check out the Moonbeam Crypto. It is jumping off the charts right now. And we're going to talk about Piston Token. Not happening today. Everybody across around everywhere being on their computer, and it didn't happen. We're going to go to Piston and talk about that a little bit, and it didn't happen. It's launching again tomorrow, so we're going to talk about that. And then last but surely not least, a crypto billionaire wants to give away his crypto money to all kinds of people. So we're going to go to a 30-year-old crypto billionaire who wants to give away his crypto to all kinds of people. He wants to keep about $100,000 to live on, but give away his crypto. So this is going to be a pretty good episode. Moonbeam, Piston Token didn't happen, and a crypto billionaire wants to help us all out. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, you know it, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Crypto projects like Piston and Drip Network and Splasm. All right, let's head over to Moonbeam. So right over here at CoinMarketCap, look at the trending at the top. It's got the biggest gainers in the trending. Moonbeam is the number 2 trending cryptocurrency on CoinMarket. If any of these cryptocurrencies make it in the top 3, there's big, huge things that are going on. So when you come to CoinMarketCap, I always kind of scan the trending, look at the next thing, the biggest gainers, okay, or the next one, and the next category is recently added. All of these 3 categories could be big. May want to pay attention to it. But again, Moonbeam number 2. Let's go over. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Moonbeam is ranked number 91. You're not going to believe this. It's up 72% in the last set. Ding, ding, ding. Up 70, almost 100%. It's up 72% in the last 7 days. It's being traded at $4.93. Super crazy. Number 2 trending cryptocurrency. Going over here. $4.93 right now. It's up 2% in the last 24 hours. Crazy numbers in the last 7 days. Click on the 7 days. Look at this. I mean, it was way, way down here at $2.87. It's picked up a whole $2. It's at $4.95. What's going on with Moonbeam cryptocurrency? This is what is Moonbeam? Moonbeam is an Ethereum compatible smart contract parachain on Polkadot. Blockchain Polkadot that we like so much. We got some Polkadot going on. Moonbeam makes it easy to use popular Ethereum developable tools to build and solidify projects in substrate-based environments. All kinds of good stuff. Moonbeam is much more than just the EVM implications. It's highly effective parachain that mirrors Ethereum Web3 RPC accounts, keys, subscriptions, logs, and more. The Moonbeam platform extends the base Ethereum features set by additional features such as chain governance, staking, and cross-chain integration. All right, over here at the Twitter account, Moonbeam Network, the easiest on the ramp to Polkadot. Moonbeam is the most powerful Ethereum-compatible smart contract platform on Polkadot. Point blank, the most powerful Ethereum compatible. Moonbeam is live on Polkadot. We are excited to announce that Moonbeam is fully operational parachain on Polkadot. Moonbeam will bring many new integrations, activities, and light up Polkadot's ecosystem. Let's go Moonbeam. All right, over here at the website, the future multi-chain. Expand to new chains powered by Moonbeam, an Ethereum compatible smart contract parachain on Polkadot. So Polkadot is doing fantastic, and Moonbeam is right there with it. The easiest path to multi-chain. Minimum configuration changes, tools you already use, pre-built integrations, familiar smart contract languages. And over here you got a tank that's just kind of moving and moving and moving out. So let's go Moonbeam. A fully Ethereum compatible environment on Polkadot. Now everybody knows Ethereum is super solid, so this being compatible with Ethereum, you got to admit, it's really super awesome. Moonbeam is much more than just an EVM implication. It's highly spectral layer 1 chain that mirrors Ethereum Web3 RPC. Accounts, keys, subscriptions, logs, and more. The Moonbeam platform extends the base Ethereum features set and additional features such as on-chain governance, staking, and cross-chain integrations. All right, so they got the Ethereum going around and around here because, again, this is compatible. Solidified smart contracts, published subscriber capacities, complete set of Web3 RPC endpoints, and H160 accounts, and ECDSA signatures. All right, Moonbeam. This token is going crazy. Let's take a look again. Crazy. Up 72% in the last 7 days. All right, on this channel, we love to bring cryptocurrency projects, coins, things that are hidden big. When you see a coin that's up 72% in the last 7 days, put it on your radar. If it was on your radar a week ago, you're really liking this coin right now being up so much. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, what's happening with Piston Token today? Everybody was there. All right, over here at Piston Token, we were all there at 8 o'clock this morning, release 7:30. It says available claims. Our token contract is paused. However, you can claim your pre-sale tokens. Now, the pre-sale tokens are the 2 times that they're talking about, but those were sold out in 30 seconds and 1 minute. So most of us didn't get our pre-sale because they were gone that quick. Do not rush. You can claim anytime. Yeah, for the few people that got it, you can claim anytime. Give us some credit and some patience. We want patience. We saw it sold out in 30 seconds. We saw it sold out in a minute. Now we were there today for 3 hours. Let's get some patience. We are working to make this a fun, profitable experience. Now, I will say this project can get launched properly on Monday. It'd be nice. It does pay 1% back every single day. Tokens and race. Piston Token. Piston Token, the token to run the ecosystem, fully tradable and available to everyone. It's built on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. Total supply is 1 million PSNTs, 10% tax on buy exchanges only, 10% tax on sell. Kind of go through the breakdown here when the buy and the sell fees. We're not going to do a whole video on Piston. We're just kind of talking that the launch is happening on Monday. I believe it's at 10 o'clock, but whatever time I would tell you, don't think it's going to happen at that second. And if it did happen, it'd happen in 30 seconds. No, I'm just kidding. Having a little sarcasm here. But I do think it's at 10 in the morning. They had a countdown here going and stuff, but it looks like they took the countdown down. You can claim it right here. You know, claim your Piston tokens if you had them, but we don't have any, so we can't claim them. Over here at the white paper, Piston tokens, just a couple of the things. When you use the Piston tokens to add to your fuel tank, you will receive 1% return for up to 365%. So pretty cool thing. You get 1% back for 365%. So 1% back every day, up to 365% of your initial investment, of the amount in the tank. The amount is calculations including the new tokens deposited as well as tokens compounded using the Nitro button. Yeah, everybody, the Nitro button is going to be the compound. This is how this is a race. It talks about how everything works. What you all are going to have to do is come down here and spend some time with the white pages. Can I exit the race? You can. If we can ever get in, I know it's happening on Monday, but once you get into the race, you do have 7 days to actually exit the race if you wanted to. Most of these protocols don't allow that. That's one of the perks that's nice about Piston, is they are saying that if you get in and something comes up and you change your mind in the first 7 days, you can get out. There's probably going to be a tax that you're going to have to pay, but you can get your money out. So pretty nice thing. So check out Piston. It's happening on Monday. We were there today at 7:30, started at 8. We were there for 3 hours, and then finally, after 3 hours of hearing in the Discord and this and that they're pausing it for 15 seconds, they're relaunching it, they're pausing it. At 11 o'clock, they said, we're going to just go ahead and do this on Monday. So, all right, tomorrow we'll give it a try. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to that channel. Piston Token going live tomorrow. Now, with the Piston Token, it's similar to like the Drip Network and the Splassive. Now, Drip Network pays 1% a day, 365%. Splassive pays 2% a day for 180 days for 360. My Diamonds Teams V2 pays 1.5% a day for 365%. And Piston Token is going to pay 1% a day for 365%. So check it out. These are these projects that people are doing right now. Drip Network is getting ready to be 1 year old here real soon. So let's give it a big round of accomplishment to Drip Network being almost a year old. All right, how about a cryptocurrency billionaire who wants to give away all his money or a lot of his money? All right, a 30-year-old crypto billionaire wants to give his fortune away. Sam Bankman-Fried drives a Corolla, sleeps on a beanbag, and has a Robin Hood-like philosophy. So it says the The Economic Club of New York has hosted kings, prime ministers, and presidents, as well as Amazon.com, Jeff Bezos, and JP Morgan Chase, central bankers, a 115-year-old organization, and Sam Bankman-Fried, a 30-year-old cryptocurrency billionaire, is probably the first person to play a computer game while giving a talk. All right. As a featured guest one morning in February, Bankman-Fried, looking shabby as usual, reclining on a game chair in blue shorts and a gray tank top t-shirt, advertising his cryptocurrency exchange, FTX. Oh boy. So FTX is what he started. He's speaking from a Zoom in his office from the Bahamas. You know, he says we anticipate a lot of growth in the United States. Bankman-Fried says he'll cast a spell one of his nights in a fairy tale army. So he's really big into basically giving back. He wants to give back to a lot of people. And you know, and here he is. In the previous weekend, he watched the Super Bowl from box seats just in front of the NBA star Stephen Curry. You know, he was at a lunch with the basketball legend Shaquille O'Neal, and he was at a DJ event at the Goldman Sachs, where, take a look at this, he also met the actor Leonardo DiCaprio. So he's having a good time being a billionaire and meeting and mingling with all kinds of celebrities. With a fortune of more than $20 billion, according to Bloomberg Billionaire, the venture capitalist recently invested in FTX and his U.S. arms a combined $40 billion. Oh boy. It says, for my wealth, Bankman-Fried tells core philosophy remains the same. He'll keep enough money to maintain a comfortable living, about 1% of his earnings, or a minimum of $100,000 a year. On the other than that, he still plans on giving away every dollar or Bitcoin. Or as in the case, he's a kind of a crypto Robin Hood, beating the rich in their own game to win money for the capitalist losers. All right, so he wants to give away all kinds of money. So here you go. If you're watching this channel, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, reach out to us. We got a big following, lots of people would love to get a little piece of this, and we're also in the crypto and FTX. We like it. So a 30-year-old crypto billionaire wants to give away his fortune. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Billionaires giving away cryptocurrency fortunes, all kinds of good stuff. Piston Token not launching when it's supposed to. Let's head back over to Moonbeam for a little price prediction. All right, and back over at Moonbeam's website, new users and new cases, rich pools of assets, growing ecosystem. Obviously, it's growing with it being crazy in the last 7 days. Smart contracts powered by the Gleamer token. Smart contracts, transaction fees, all transaction fees are paid with Gleamer. Staking and governance. Project roadmap, they got their roadmap on their website. Join the Moonbeam ecosystem. Projects, collectors, and technology partners. All right, over here at the website, take a look at this. 91. Moonbeam is now, before I started, it wasn't even $5. It's even higher. It's at $5 now. 76% up. What's our price prediction? First of all our information is for educational purposes only. I think it could go to $5.15. But do all your own homework. This token is jumping off the charts. It's 76% up. Put it on your radar. I mean, it's going up, up, up. It's a Sunday right now. Taking a look at that. Moonbeam. All right, everybody. Moonbeam, Piston Token, billionaires giving away their money for cryptocurrency. All kinds of good stuff on this show. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And then click over here so you can learn about Splassive. Get 2% a day every single day. I'll leave my link in the bottom for Piston for tomorrow. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. And we'll see you a little bit later on.